A woman walks into a pet store and sees a handsome bright red parrot. She asks the cashier how much the parrot is. The cashier says, "I'll sell it, but I should warn you, it was donated by a brothel, so it might have picked up some colorful language." The woman says, "Oh, that's okay." She buys the parrot and takes it home. When she takes the towel off its case, the parrot looks at her and says, "Och, nu madam." "Hello madam." A few hours later, the woman's two teenage daughters come home from school. The parrot looks at them and says, "Och, new girls." "Hello girls." A couple of hours later, the woman's husband, Larry, comes home from work. The parrot looks at him and says, "Ah, hi Larry."